Hey guys, on this episode of Bucket Hat, we have a Home Decorators Collection Shanahan ceiling fan. This is a model from December of 2018, and these are still currently sold at Home Depot today. And the reason why I call it the bucket hat is, let's face it, the top of the motor and the light kit looks exactly like a bucket hat. But I like the look of it. I think it looks actually pretty cool. I found this one on Facebook for free, and of course I had to grab it. I like the look of it. It was only missing the pull chain pendants and the down rod, so I just kind of grabbed some parts and put it together. But yeah, it's a damp rated fan. These can go outside on porches. The blades are, I think they're plywood. I'm not 100% sure. They're not plastic though. And they reverse to barnwood, and the bottom is some kind of walnut. I'm not a big fan of barnwood finishes, so I like darker side down. It's an okay fan. I have to say, some of these Home Decorators fans aren't that bad, considering where they came from and how much they cost. I have a Windward upstairs, one of those 44-inch ones, and that thing really does a great job. And this one's not too bad either. So yeah, I'll fire it up. Has a single light in it. Doesn't give off too much light, but it's okay. It still looks pretty cool. There's that. And there's low. Does have kind of a buzz to it because the light kit is kind of loose. It doesn't go all that slow either. It's pretty fast. It does a pretty decent job actually. The blades are kind of like Fasco, and they have the upward pitch towards the end, so it spreads the air out a lot actually. Yeah, I went to Home Depot the other day actually, and I think these are sold for around $170. So getting it for free was quite a steal. It's about low speed. Medium. Starting to feel some air from it over here. And again, I know a lot of people bash these new fans a lot, and I'll be honest, some of them aren't that great, but you know, these Home Decorators ones aren't that bad. I feel like that's almost Home Depot's version as a step up of Hampton Bay. I feel like Hampton Bay is kind of the bottom of the barrel at Home Depot now, and Home Decorators is a step above them. It's still not a great fan. I mean, it's still cheaper, but you know, it's not that bad. And here's size. And even one of the blades is out of alignment too, and it really doesn't have any wobble to it. You can kind of see. Turn the light on. I think it's such a cool looking fan though. And one more thing. Now, I'm not a big fan of the styling nowadays at all. But this is an exception. I do like the look of this a lot. But here's the tag up there. Yeah. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.